हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम देखने वाले हैं टॉप एआई न्यूज़ ऑफ अगस्त, जिसमें कि सबसे पहली न्यूज़ आती है ओपन एआई's चैट जीपीटी गो प्लान अ चीपर ऑल्टरनेटिव कमिंग सून। ओवरव्यू: ओपन एआई इज रिपोर्टेडली testing a new affordable subscription tier for chat gpt called Go, aimed at making premium AI access more accessible to users who can't afford the $20 per month plus plan. Pricing details is ChatGPT Go and expected price is $10 to 15 per month, which is less than in INR 1250 per month, which is cheaper than plus plan which cost $20 per month. It is found in the leaked screenshot by ex Twitter user Tiber Blaho showing internal web app references. Now the expected features of this ChatGPT Go is likely includes access to GPT-4o Mini, O3 and O4 Mini high models. Will not include advanced tools like ChatGPT Agent, Sora, Video, Canvas and coding tools. Possible addition of new UI features like pin chats, favorite tabs, etc. The launch timeline. Yet there is no official launch date is announced. Rumors suggested it may be launched alongside GPT-5, expected by August 2025. GPT-5 is anticipated to bring next generation multi-model capabilities and unified assistants. Now here is the detailed summary. So why it matters? Because democratizes AI access by offering a budget-friendly options, target casual users or students who need basic GPT functionality, keeps high-end tools exclusive to Plus and Pro users, could help expand OpenAI's global reach in price-sensitive regions like India. Now the next news is UP to launch. UP here is Uttar Pradesh to launch first AI-powered road safety pilot. So Uttar Pradesh becomes the first Indian state to set or centers node for AI-driven road safety project. Project aim to reduce road accident using AI-based prediction analytics and automation, which was approved by the Ministry of Road Transportation and Highways (MORTH). Funding and ownership: rupees 10 crore allocated in UP's 2025 to 26 budget for implementation. Entire cost borne by the state, no financial burden on the central government. Partnership and tech stake: implementation by ITI Limited, a central PSU, collaboration with M-Logica, a US-based AI tech firm. Team involved: transport and enforcement and road safety departments. So in this phase, like it is 6 week prototype phase, will collect and analyze road accident data, vehicle telematics, road conditions, driver behavior, weather inputs, purpose, detect black spots, predict accident prone zones, enable real time dashboards. What next if it is successful? So AI to power faceless license and permit insurance issuance and automated e-challan systems, document expiry alerts, violation scoring, vehicle tax tracking, integration with Vahan Sarthi platforms, and compliance and safeguard. Follows all norms under Motor Vehicles Act 1988, CMVR 1989, audits for cybersecurity, data privacy, legal compliances. Official quote: the AI powered system will make a UP a national model in transport governance. It was said by the UP Transport Commissioner. Impact and vision is enhance road safety, enable smart data driven traffic governance, create a scalable AI governance models for India. Now the next news is Capgemini India to hire 45,000 people in 2025, focus on AI ready workforce. So Capgemini India plans to hire 40,000 to 45,000 employees in 2025. 35 to 40% of these will be lateral hires, experienced professionals. And the goal is to create an AI trained, future ready workforce from day one. Why this matter? Because India is now a core delivery hub due to cost efficiency and skilled talent. Clients demand AI-led digital transformation. Capgemini is gearing up hiring strategy, partnering with 50 plus Indian colleges for campus hiring, and mid to senior level expert to be recruited through lateral hirings. Now, it is the AI first training models. All freshers will get or will receive AI training at onboarding, and which includes modules on generative AI, agentic AI, and automation workflows. Aligns with Capgemini goals to scale AI-enabled services globally, and it is the major acquisition support. Recently acquired WNS for $3.3 billion, expected to generate 100 to 140 millions dollar in synergies by 2027, and which boost Capgemini capabilities in AI powered business operations. And the global context is Capgemini has overall worldwide many employees, but in India perspective, it has 1,75,000 employees. Despite market slowdown, it remains bullish or hiring. Unlike peers, financial year 25 revenue guidance is -1% to +1%, and CEO cautions on AI ROI. It's not everyone AI project is worth it. AI adoption must be done case by case, not all implementation deliver AI. So here is the quick summary. Now, why it is a big deal? Because it is one of the largest hiring plan in India's IT sector for 2025, and it is investing in AI first capabilities set a benchmark for future IT hiring, and which combines scaling and scaling with skilling rather than just mass recruitment. Now the next news is Rajasthan AI policy 2025. Make Rajasthan The goal is to make Rajasthan a digital and AI innovation hub. Overview: Rajasthan government is preparing to launch the Rajasthan AI policy 2025. The policy aims to promote ethical AI, build digital infrastructure, and support AI education and startup. It aligns with India's broader national AI mission. Key focus area: responsible and ethical AI, encourage safe and transparent AI usage in government systems. Next one is AI skill development, AI focused training for youth, students, and professionals. Collaboration with universities and tech institutes. Research and innovation support for AI research through a new center of excellence for AI. Digital infrastructure, strengthening data centers and digital connectivity. Next one is Center of Excellence for AI, COEAI. Will act as a hub for startup, academia, private sector, government. Mission drive AI powered innovation, entrepreneurship, and governance. Additional initiatives: AVGC, XR policy, animation, visual effects, gaming, comics, extended reality. Rajasthan to become a hub for creative technology and digital media. Atal Innovation Studios, 4 innovation hubs to be built. 1,000 crore investment to boost youth entrepreneurship. Agriculture accelerator mission, integrated AI and tech into agriculture, empower rural youth and increase productivity. Data center policy 2025 objective: develop world class data center ecosystem in Rajasthan. Example: Rajasthan State Data Center, Tier 4 infrastructure, 800 rack capacity, 99.995% uptime, data centers across Jaipur, Jodhpur, Kota, Bikaner. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Stay tuned.